So here is the lesson plan prompt. And it follows all of the same components and basically the same template that I've used in other videos. So what do we have? Students, ninth grade, subject, algebra, graphing and analyzing linear functions. I want them to be able to demonstrate understanding, apply them. My pedagogical approach, I want I do, we do, group do, you do, and I want them to improve phonics, vocabulary, and comprehension while studying the math, because we're teaching math. Create a 3-day lesson plan, 45 minutes each. So all the basic stuff that we put into a lesson plan prompt. We're assembling, incorporate the 4 reading strategies in the math lesson through the math activities above. Remember, we created the math activities on the basis of the reading strategies. Now we're going to create the lesson plan on the basis of those activities. We've built all the pieces. And tell me a little more about that. Exit tickets, give me standards, and so forth. And finally, we've got all of our pieces. And now we're going to have a nice, robust plan to help kids to develop their mathematical skills, but at the same time, build up their reading skills so they can begin to master both. And very briefly, how does it look? We've got our content standards. We've got day 1, we do, you group do, you do, and so on. And this is going to go on for a while. But basically, that's the strategy for helping kids learn math by incorporating effective reading instruction at the same time.